Alright, yo, what is going on, guys? Today, we're working on the M3 finally, but we're going to be throwing in a short shifter today from Garagistic. As you guys saw in another video, I think we did the Garagistic bushings. We are using Garagistic, their full shifter kit, throwing it in the short shifter. It's like a medium weight shifter in the E36 M3, so it should really help out along with new bushings, because my current bushings are kind of shot. You guys know that my shifter's a little notchy, so they luckily you know, they helped me out by sending me a shifter, so I'm going to be doing that today. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. My car's been like ripped apart. Oh my god, bro. Look at that. Look at, oh yeah. Guys, I'm so used to throwing it in reverse because my 240 reverses this way. I've got the BMW ones all the way up here. I was throwing it into fourth gear. That's fourth gear. Okay, so reverse is that way in the BMWs. I'm sorry, I'm not a Euro guy. I just own one, but I don't come from a Euro background. All right, so we got this Garagistic shifter. It's a chassis mount shifter from Garagistic. Obviously, this should definitely improve just the way it throws. Shifter bushings right.
Trans bushings.
Sorry, trans bushings right here.
DSSR, dual shear selector rod.
Okay.
So it gives it a lot more purchase to shift. You can
Okay.
bang gears more.
Oh, I do like banging gears. Do we have bushings in here?
No, you don't really need bushings because it's a solid shifter.
Oh.
You do use some bushings.
Okay.
Like these you use, and then this guy you use for the base for the mounting. This goes on the bottom of here to grab onto the DSSR.
Okay.
But the main thing is it's solid to the chassis. So normally these transmissions, the shifters actually attach to the transmission. It's actually not attached to the chassis at all.
Oh.
So when you shift, that means all on the transmission. So you're messing with weak bushings. This puts it all on the car itself. So especially with these, which is going to locate the transmission much harder to the chassis, it's a lot more of an accurate throw. And this is the stock height, so it's not going to look even crazy in the shifter either. They make ones that are like this tall.
It's like the mid height one. Or is this a short one?
This is stock height.
This stock height, sorry.
So
this
they make
stock
ones
height.
that are like this tall.
I stand corrected. I know I wasn't going with the crazy shifter. I was going with like the OEM style length one. And then yeah, I stand corrected. We actually don't have any shifter bushings because we're getting rid of them.
Yeah,
because we're going with chassis mount.
You have one shifter bushing, which is this guy.
Okay.
But it's upgraded. So.
Okay, cool. Yay. Quick jacks for the win. Alright, so first step, we're undoing the, is that a cross member?
This is like a brace.
The brace. We're undoing the brace right here. We have to drop the exhaust. You don't have to do this, but this is the best way to install it. Yeah. Ethan says
you want to drop the exhaust, the heat shield,
basically everything under here, member. Everything around the transmission, so we can get to the transmission and drop it down, right?
Yeah, you want to tilt the transmission down like this, so you leave the engine mounted, but you remove this cross member, and it'll tilt back, and then the head actually sits on the firewall, so it won't go any farther.
Yep.
So.
Which makes it easier to undo the linkage?
Get the top of linkage, yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Not that bad, so.
Yeah. Alright, so we had to use some of the good old WD-40 on these exhaust bolts, but they're coming out. Ethan says that there's a pretty good underbody, no rust.
If anyone owns an E36 and lives in anywhere rusty state, you know that these bolts never look like this ever. They usually are just disintegrated.
These ones are not disintegrated. And they're coming out.
Right off.
Right off. That on camera. I did not get that on camera, but basically,
almost killed
right after I stopped filming, Ethan got the last bolt out of this exhaust, and the whole thing just dropped because the middle cross member wasn't there that was holding up the exhaust.
Dude.
It's just non-existent, and it just almost killed him. Oh my god, my car almost actually killed Ethan. He almost died the whole thing just snapped down.
That's pretty dope. Okay.
Wow, I'm really glad you're alive. The exhaust came out very easily because it was only held on by like a couple bolts. That's why the car's rattling at idle, because it's literally held in by nothing. And also, at least
5 bolts, it was held in by 1.
Yep. All right, guys. So
you gotta pull the handbrake tighter or put it in gear.
Okay, I'm gonna pull the handbrake. We're doing the drive shaft right now, so I'm in charge of. It's in gear. Should move now, making sure the drive shaft stays put while Ethan undoes it from there. Obviously, if it's not in gear, the handbrake's up, it's just gonna spin. So you want to make sure it's like a pretty two-person job. I mean, you can do it with one person, but
it's annoying.
It's annoying with one person.
You gotta get up a million times.
Yeah. So I'm doing the diff right now. And then, I'm not diff, sorry. We're doing drive shaft so we can drop the trans, basically. That's what Ethan's doing right there.
Check Check out that Guibo.
That is.
Look at that thing at the end there. See,
What's-
it's all like chewed up and fucked up.
Oh my god. Is that supposed to be there, that chunk?
Of course not.
Oh.
Look.
Dude, it looks like something ate it.
Yeah.
Looks like there's a chunk taken out of the...
Open that up.
Oh, so this is what it's supposed to look like. Ah. Wow. Alright, so we have now dropped, Ethan has dropped the trans a little. We used the jack to get it down a little, but as you can see the drive shaft's out and now the trans is actually tilted right now. It's hanging on to the motor, but it's tilted. So now he has full access to
The shifter and everything.
the shifter, linkage, and everything.
Everything we need, we have full access to now.
Yes.
Um,
Which makes it a lot easier.
No way in hell that just worked.
What? What?
It came right off.
Really?
Never happened. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, done. Sick. That's all you needed.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Hey, bro. Hey, it's dangling around. Oh no, my shift knob. What happened? Remember the original shift knob on this?
Like a gun.
Yeah.
It wasn't a really good shift knob. Bye-bye.
Bye, shifter.
Bye, shifter. Let's just...
Alright, go. So now we're gonna auto swap this M3. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey, dude, let's do it.
That would be horrible.
I'm down.
No, no.
This guy. Boom.
Oh my god.
That goes right there.
Look at that. Obviously, there's no linkage right now, but...
Yeah, but...
Oh my god. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. There's the bottom of the chassis mount shifter. I'm going to go underneath. Ethan's going to go up top. We're going to link them together like this. Pop them to... Make sure that doesn't happen. Make sure you don't drop your stuff. Or me and Ethan are going to meet.
Whoa.
Hey! Who's that?
Whoa, down there.
Hey!
Whoa.
Hey!
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to throw this down. You have to line it up from down there.
Yeah, I will. Wait, do I go? Which side's up? Okay, I got it actually lined up now because I'm actually underneath the damn thing. It's hard to see for you guys, but I don't know if you can see, but I have all the holes lined up I can see because there's an actual light. So I think Ethan's screwing them through, I think. Oh, these Allen bolts through? There's no nut on the other side?
No, it just
Oh.
threads in.
Never mind, it's threaded, so we don't even need to have...
Oh, it's incredibly nice.
Yeah, cool. It's threaded, awesome. I thought I had to be on the other side to hold the bolts in or something like that, but they just thread.
One thing to note is it's aluminum. The stuff's aluminum, and these bolts are steel. So if you tighten them too much, you could strip it.
Okay.
So just don't do that.
Don't strip it. Ethan's currently under adjusting the shift, the shift length, right?
Yep.
The throw. Oh my god. Dude, that feels so good. Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, this is perfect. I don't want any, yeah. This is a short throw for sure. Holy cow. Guys, I just installed this new shifter. It automatically shifts for me, look. Yo, what the? Dude, it's powered by Ethan Mark. I have him underneath the car permanently. And he's just gonna shift from under there for me. All done.
All done. Really? Pretty easy.
3-hour job. Total time like 3 hours. I think there's only one thing left to do now. Test drive this thing, man.
I'm really excited.
I'm excited too, man. Oh my god, I'm so... This Garagistic shifter will change the game, actually. Alright, first test drive. Let's put it in reverse. Which way's reverse? I think that's reverse. There's no indicator or anything on the car now, so I don't... Nope, that's first. That was first gear.
Gotta go push over harder. There you go.
There we go. Okay, does this thing twist? Okay, yeah. So, we're now in the car. A little hard to see, but oh my god.
Ooh, feels so cool.
Oh my god, dude, this shifter's crazy. Dude, it feels like solid. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, that's third gear.
do a 3-4.
Oh, did you see that? Holy. Those are my brakes.
Yeah.
They're absolutely cooked, but we're gonna go on the main road anyways. Brakes are cooked. Now tip. Let's try try this real quick, all legally and nice and fun, you know. All right, first gear, do that, turn in. Dude, it feels like 9-day. Ethan, you gotta drive this. Hold on. I'm gonna pull over real quick. Okay, the brakes are shot. But I'm gonna let Ethan drive the car now. Ethan is now gonna test out the shifter.
Oh my god. Whoa.
Dude, it feels good, right?
Whoa.
Dude, it's like 9-day, bro.
It's freaking crazy.
It's crazy. It's crazy good.
Holy shit.
Dude, Garagistic,
Wow, those
bro.
brakes are bad.
Yeah, no, the brake. Okay, brakes are shot, so that's gonna be the next thing on the
Yeah.
car for sure.
Holy shit. I'm gonna do
Besides the brakes, though, yeah, definitely.
That's. Oh, I need one of these. That's crazy.
For your E36?
For my 36.
Yeah. Dude, it feels freaking amazing, man. Holy cow. Feels good. Okay. Oh! Dude! It feels
That's
so
so
good!
cool.
I can't even hear it shifting.
I
It's
know.
oh my god.
The shifter was awful in this car before.
Yeah, it was really bad before.
This one. Whoa.
Oh, it's clicking.
It feels like a literal, like a rifle.
rifle, dude. It feels like, oh my god.
That's so cool.
This thing is sweet, man.
You're gonna want to drive this thing finally now.
Yeah, 100%. I'm gonna get brakes for it now.
All you want to do is shift.
Oh yeah, shifting feels like, I mean, I can't even explain. I've never had a shifter like this before.
So
I've never had a shifter like this
Never.
before.
This
Never,
feels
ever.
better than my brand new when I swapped my 330.
Really?
That was all brand new everything. This feels 10 times better than that. Yeah.
Holy cow. Get yourself an E36 short shifter, man, from Garagistic. These things are the best.
That just changed the car.
It changed the game, man. Garagistic just changed the game. Holy cow. Amazing. Dude. Yo, what is going on, guys? If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. As you can see, the shifter is finally solid and chassis mounted in the E36. Very, very solid shifter, very, very solid parts. Easy installation, all the parts fit, all the bolts are there. Everything's in that kit, man. The car just feels like a whole new car. It's night and day. So I'm very, very thankful for that. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.